Hello everyone. Today's topic is effects on exercise, effects of exercise on cardiorespiratory system. Chapter number 7, physiology and injury in sports. Today's topic is effect of exercise on respiratory system. ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है और इसमें बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ें बताई गई हैं कि हमारी एक्सरसाइज का हमारे दिल के ऊपर रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम, दिल के ऊपर क्या इफ़ेक्ट पड़ता है एक्सरसाइज का। सबसे पहले ये करने के लिए हमें अपने हार्ट के बारे में जानना पड़ेगा, दिल के बारे में जानना पड़ेगा कि दिल क्या है। दिल एक खाली हिस्सा है और हम अपनी मुट्ठी देखते हैं ना, वो मुट्ठी की शेप का ही बना हुआ है। अगर आप देखें ना, जितना बड़ा दिल मुट्ठी उतना बड़ा दिल, ये है ऐसा। हार्ट इज ए हॉलो रफली यू क्लोज फिस्ट शेप मस्कुलर कंपाउंड। इट इज प्रोटेक्टेड बाय sternum and spinal cord. It is located in the upper part of the body in the middle of chest. It weighs 300 gram in men while its weight 250 gram in women. It measures 12 centimeter long or 9 centimeter wide, 2/3 of which is on the left side of the middle line of 1/3 of the right side. As you can see here the diagram of heart. One divided splits of the heart into right left part. It has four chamber. As you can see, it has four chamber. The upper two chambers are called auricle. Upper two called auricle, right? You can see here. And lower two chamber called ventricles. Auricle and are smaller than ventricle, and their muscles are also thin and wide. Less muscles. Heart muscles are made of tissues. During blood circulation, the impure deoxygenated blood became pure and reaches into the different organ of the body through arteries. ये आप देख रहे हैं, you can see here. ब्लड यहाँ से इनसाइड होता है, देन घूमता हुआ कहाँ से कहाँ, कैसा सिस्टम. इट्स ग्रेट. द फंक्शन ऑफ हार्ट, यू कैन सी हियर फंक्शन ऑफ हार्ट. द हार्ट इज द मेन ऑर्गन in the circulatory system. The structure of primary responsibility of delivery, the circulation of blood and transportation of nutrients in the all part of the body. The heart blood pumping cycle called cardiac cycle ensured the blood is distributed through the body. The oxygen distribute process begin when oxygen free blood enter into the heart through the right artery. You can see here right artery. This is left and this is right artery. यहाँ से enter कर रहा है. You can see here right artery goes into right ventricle. Then enter the lungs of oxygen, refill the release of carbon dioxide. The transfer into the left chamber ready for red distribution. About 5.6 liter of blood circulate in the body and 3 cardiac circulars are completed per minute. The heartbeat is a manifestation of the oxygen related process in the heart that is made up to two phases. The systole of the short period of that occur when the tris- tricuspid and mitral valve close. The diastole is a relatively longer period when a aortic and pulmonary valve close. The cytol diastole relationship is the reference is measuring blood pressure. Other way of physically determining the regular function of heart is through examine the pulse rate beat per minute. A normal heart rate of an adult is 72 beat per minute, while children normally yield higher heart rate. To know the effect of exercise on the cardiovascular system, it is important to know that cardiovascular system is made of two words, cardio and vascular. Blood vessels which carry blood from heart to different part of the body are called artery. You can see here artery. And the vessels which carry blood from the different part of the body to the heart called veins. The process of the blood circulation in the body is carried through artery and vein. There is two type of change of or effect that take place due to exercise and training: immediate effects and long term effects. Right? There is two effects are there is immediate and long term. This is immediate effect. First, immediate effect: regular exercise increase the heart rate, then increase the heart rate, then increase the stroke volume, increase the cardio output, and increase the blood circulation, then increase blood circulation, then increase the blood pressure. These are the immediate effect of exercise. Increase in heart rate. In order to meet the increased demand of energy due to intensity of duration of exercise, heart has to work at fast pace, which increase the heart rate. The second is increase in stroke volume. Increase in stroke volume. According to the intensity of exercise and the increase of the duration, the amount of blood is ejected from the left ventricle of the heart on every beating increase the stroke volume. In the normal state of relaxation, the stroke volume is between 50 to 70 milliliter per beat, while during intensive exercise, it increases to 110 to 150 milliliter per beat. Then increase in cardiac output. The meaning of cardio output is the amount of blood which the heart pumps every minute. Regular exercise helps in increase the cardio output of the heart is an ordinary person. In the state of rest, the cardio output in normal person is about 5 liters per minute, which increase during exercise to 20 to 40 liters per minute. Cardio output is the product of heart rate HR or the number of heartbeat per minute and stroke volume SV, which is the volume of blood pumped from the ventricle per beat. Thus, CO is equal to HR into SV, stroke volume. SV is the stroke volume. Okay. Increase the blood circulation. Increase the blood circulation. Increase the blood circulation. Due to exercise, the cardiovascular system deliver oxygen and nutrient via blood to all the tissues which need immediate oxygen and vice versa. Then increase blood pressure due to increase that in the delivery of oxygen via blood blood pressure also increase, right? This is